Hi everybody, this is Eric with Not Quite a Homestead. You're used to seeing my lovely wife Bethel on the YouTube channel. She was out of town this weekend, and so I was left up to my own to hopefully get some stuff done in between, you know, playing with our lovely daughters. So I did some video of me putting some peppers in the ground, which was shot from distance, which will just speed up. And now I'm trying to walk and talk at the same time, which is hard. But so we'll show you a quick little peek of the peppers. Okay, so that was a whole bunch of pepper plants, all different types: serranos, poblanos, pepperoncinis, Jimmy Nardellos. Yeah, just a bunch. Yeah, there's about 21 pepper plants in there. And then something we've been trying to do for weeks and just haven't had time. I'll turn it around and that is a nice little long beds. It's 2 foot wide by 6 feet deep, or 6 inches deep. Yeah, we got those so we can plant more because we need to. And we'll probably end up making 2 or 3 more raised beds here as soon as we get a chance. So, well, it's nice talking to you guys. Have fun. All right. Please subscribe to our channel and all that happy stuff. All right, bye.